So we restrict certain activity. Instagram error often occurs because of using automated bots, being overly active, inactive, or being reported or spamming other accounts. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you several fixes of this problem. So just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. First of all, close Instagram application, then go to application, hold it and go to app info. Once you're there, now you have to go to story usage and simply click on clear cache so that all the corrupted cache memory will be cleared. Then open your Instagram. Alright, so now we have to check that if there is any update available for Instagram, so we have to update the application to its latest version. So simply go to your Google Play Store, then you have to search for Instagram there and check if there is any update available. Just update the application to its latest version in order to fix these kind of bugs. And after that, again open your Instagram. Now you have to click over on your profile icon in the bottom right and then go to settings. Once you're in settings, you have to go to account center and make sure that just link your Facebook account with your Instagram. In my case, you can see I've already linked my Facebook account with my Instagram. Alright, so if all these solutions doesn't work, in the end you can go for help. Just go to help section of Instagram and then you have to click over on report a problem. Here you have to mention your problem and within 24 hours Instagram get back to you and most probably your problem will be fixed. Just write your problem over here and submit the request. So this is basically how you can get rid of this we restrict certain activity problem over on Instagram. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.